Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to easily connect your phone's Bluetooth to your Toyota Corolla. First, make sure your Corolla is safely parked with the engine running. Next, grab your phone and turn on its Bluetooth, ensuring it is discoverable. Then, head over to your car's audio system and find the setup menu. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth and successful connection process. Now that you are in the setup menu, select the Bluetooth option. From there, you will typically see an option to add new device or pair device on your Corolla's display. Once you select that, your car will start searching for nearby devices. On your phone, you should now see your car's name, often displayed as Toyota Corolla or a similar identifier, appear in the list of available devices. With your car searching, select your phone's name from the list that appears on the Corolla's screen. Both your phone and the car's display will then show a pairing code. It is very important to confirm that these codes match exactly before proceeding. Finally, accept the connection prompt that appears on your phone to finalize the pairing. You are almost ready to enjoy hands-free convenience. Congratulations! Your phone is now successfully connected to your Toyota Corolla's Bluetooth. You can now stream your favorite music, podcasts, and make hands-free phone calls directly through your car's audio system. If you ever encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system often resolves them. Your Corolla can usually remember up to 5 different devices, making it convenient for multiple users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.